In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into HSBC Online Banking using the 25 Full Guide. Whether you're just starting to use online banking or you're a seasoned pro, understanding how to access your account safely and efficiently is crucial for managing your finances. Let's dive right in. First, grab your favorite web browser. Whichever you're most comfortable with, like Chrome, Safari, or Firefox, will work perfectly, and navigate to the HSBC website specific to your country. For instance, if you're in the United States, you might head over to hsbc.com, while those in other regions will have their local HSBC domain. It's important to access your bank's authorized site to protect your personal information. Once on the homepage, your eyes should be drawn towards the option to log on or log in. Occasionally, you might see it termed as sign in or even personal internet banking. Simply click on the one available to you. At this point, you might encounter something new, a QR code, which is an invitation for you to download the HSBC app. If you prefer to stick with the web login for now, just scroll down a bit and you'll find the Continue to Log On with Browser link. Click that and you're on your way to the next step. Now it's time to enter your credentials. Start with your username or logon ID, and after you hit Continue, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Remember, your username and password are your keys to accessing the bank account, so keep them confidential. There might be an added layer of security during your login session, which is a good thing. This is your bank's way of keeping your funds safe. You may need to input a security code provided from an extra device, sometimes known as a security token, or you might receive this code via SMS or email. Have your device handy so you can quickly input the code when prompted. After filling in all these details, the next move is to click on Submit or Log On. Doing so sends your information securely for verification. Upon a successful login, you'll see your account dashboard or summary full of all the financial details and banking tools you need to manage your account. And there you have it, a straightforward path to accessing your HSBC online banking in 2025. Feel free to revisit this tutorial whenever necessary to brush up on the steps. Stay secure and enjoy the convenience of managing your finances online.